It's been a couple weeks since I posted a weekly video. I had actually recorded this around Christmas, but I never got around to editing together the clips. This was my first time trying gouche. It was surprisingly more difficult than I had expected. It seemed to need more layers than acrylic. The sky needed lots of white layers to get the rainy look I was going for. This is the photo I was referencing. Lots and lots of layers. I'm gonna do some research into gouche before I try my next piece with it. This painting took a very long time. Every clip in this video is sped up by x5 or x10. One thing I learned from using the gouche is it's better to work on smaller portions at a time. The rest of the video is sped up by about 30. I'm gonna give it a 7/10. Definitely gonna try to recreate at the end of the year.